Good morning, dear student. Let us start the class. Today we are starting the workbook of the chapter subtraction. Okay. For the unit test, two topics are required from subtraction, that is subtraction of two-digit number with regrouping and subtraction of three-digit numbers without regrouping. The former chapter is the addition. In chapter addition, the whole chapter is required for the unit test. But for subtraction, only these two topics are required. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about word problems, about multiple choice questions, filling the blanks, and we are going to practice one or two questions regarding the with and without regrouping of two-digit and three-digit number. Okay children, and one more thing is there. Yes, you have to upload your answer sheets during the unit test in the Google Classroom. Okay, the stream option is not there, so you have to upload it in the classwork. Go to classwork, then to assignment, and then you have to select the attachment and then hand in. Okay, this is the way of uploading in the Google Classroom through the classwork, not in stream but in the classwork. Okay, so I hope it's clear with everyone, and let us start the class of the workbook. Good morning children, we are going to do the workbook now. Since from the chapter subtraction only two topics are required, that is subtract two-digit and three-digit number. Okay, so the first one is the difference between 45 and 5 is, so difference means minus. Okay, this is another word for subtraction. Difference means minus. So 45 minus 5, the answer is 40. So it is option number D. Here you have to count the numbers. So I can see here, let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. The next set of pictures is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So here we got 17. Here also 17. So 17 minus 17, what is the answer? 0. So the correct option is C. The difference between 11 and 11. So here you make the place value chart. If the question is given here, make the place value chart ones and tens. What is the first number? 11. The second is also 11. Since the difference is given, it is minus. So 1 minus 1, 0. Always start from the ones place. Tens, 1 minus 1, 0. So the answer is 0. Option number C. Question number 4. While subtracting, we always begin from the ones place. That is D. Okay. Addition or subtraction, we start from the ones place. Write the missing number. Okay. We have to do the missing number here. So what you do, you make place value chart in the side like that whenever this question is given. Okay. What is the first number here? Ones, tens. It is regrouping. That means there will be carryover. The bigger number is 35 minus 17. Okay. Now 5 is a smaller number. Okay. So 7 is a bigger number. It will borrow from the tens place. So what will become here? 15. 15 minus 7, how much? 8. What will remain here? 2, because it has given 1 to this number. So 2 minus 1, 1. The answer is 18. So 8 is already there. So I'll put 1 here. Which is the correct option here? The option is D. Okay. Similarly, question number 6, the place value chart is already there. We have to start subtraction from the ones place. The tens and hundreds are already done. So look here, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. So what is the correct option here? D. 1 minus 1, 0. While subtracting the digits in the ones place, we write it's different in the ones place. Okay. 110 equals to 10 ones. This one we have already got in the chapter numbers. 110 equals to 10 ones. When we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number that is before it. Though this topic is from the properties of subtraction, but we don't have to we don't have to study the property of subtraction to understand this. This is very common. Suppose you have a number. What is the number given here? When we subtract 1 from a number, suppose you have a number 41. Okay, and what we have to subtract? We have to subtract 1 from it. You subtract 1 from it. So what is the number we got? 40. Okay, The 40 is the number before 41, isn't it? So before 40 what we get? 39. Before 39 what we get? 38. Yes or no? So which is that is the number before it. So if you subtract 1 from any number, the answer we are getting is the number which was before the number given. Okay, so the answer is before it. This is very common and this is also very important. Since we have not studied property of subtraction, I am skipping this question here. Alright, what is zero property of subtraction? Subtract 27 minus 27. If you subtract the same number, we are getting 0. 46 minus 1, the answer is 45. Now in question number 13, it is given 26 from 73. Now don't get confused. If the answer is not given directly like that, if it is given 26 from 73, in subtraction always put the bigger number at the top and the smaller number below. I have seen children what they are doing, they are writing 26 minus 73. This is wrong because you cannot subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. So the bigger number will come here, 73 and 26. Now 6 is a bigger number, 3 is smaller, 3 will borrow from 7. It will become 13 and this will become 6. So 13 minus 6 how much? 7. And 6 minus 2, 4. Okay. The next is also 235 from 589, which is a bigger number, 589. Put 589 here, which is a smaller number, 235, and do the subtraction. Always start from the ones place. The next question is, see here it is directly given 46 minus 28. The other form also the question would be subtract, I am writing the other form, subtract 28 from 46, same meaning. Subtract 28 from 46, same meaning. So which is the bigger the number here? 46 minus 28. Okay, so do this by yourself and question number 14b also. So these are the topics that we have completed for workbook for the unit test as well. And if you have any doubt, you can call me. With this, I conclude my video. Thank you and have a nice day. So children, before winding up, let me take a short recap of what we have learned. We have done subtraction of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Okay, the word difference is used instead of minus. Okay, and then you have done one important question is, while subtracting we always begin from the ones place. The difference between same number is the answer 0. You can find out in this way. Okay, missing numbers we can do, if the place value chart is given, we can find out the missing number. 1 digit will be missing here and we have to find the another one. The next is, when we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number that is before it. So here I have taken the example of 41. What is the number before 41? 40. But how can we find? We can find also in another way. We subtract 41 minus 1 and we get 40. Alright. So these are the word problems. One important point here. Subtract 26 from 73, which is the bigger number. The bigger number will come above. Okay. And 26 will come below. So these are the questions you can do by yourself, and the correct answers I will upload in the Google Classroom. Thank you.